a modern-day archaeologist studying ancient Indian temples noticed something strange: recurring numbers, sacred ratios, and cosmic patterns, all hidden in carvings, scriptures, and stories. The deeper he looked, the clearer it became. The ancients weren't just telling stories. They were encoding truths with numbers, symbols, and geometry. Welcome to the mythical matrix, where myth is a code, numbers are divine, and ancient civilizations may have cracked the cosmic equation. Are you ready to see the universe through the eyes of the ancients? Chapter 1. Om, the sound that shapes reality. Let's begin with Om, the sacred syllable. It's made of A, U, and M, symbolizing waking, dreaming, and deep sleep. But Om is also a vibration. Studies show its frequencies align with human brainwave states, beta, alpha, and theta. In essence, Om is a wave function, a blueprint of consciousness. Some researchers even compare it to ideas in string theory and quantum resonance. Was this the ancients' version of dimensional physics? Chapter 2. Dashavatara, the evolution equation. The 10 avatars of Vishnu, known as the Dashavatara, tell a divine story. But look closely. The order mirrors Darwinian evolution. Fish, Matsya; amphibian, Kurma; boar, Varaha; half-lion, Narasimha; thinking dwarf, Vamana, and beyond. From sea to land to higher consciousness, it's a coded model of evolution, written thousands of years before Darwin. Could this be an ancient version of evolutionary psychology, wrapped in divine imagery? Chapter 3. 108. The sacred number. Why do prayer malas have 108 beads? Because 108 isn't symbolic, it's astronomical. The Earth-Sun distance is roughly 108 times the Sun's diameter. Same with the Earth-Moon ratio. There are 108 Upanishads, 108 dance poses, 108 sacred sites. Some traditions even say the body has 216 bones, 108 doubled. Across Hinduism, Buddhism, and even Sufi Islam, 108 is everywhere. Coincidence or a universal constant discovered long before modern science? Chapter 4. Sacred geometry, mandalas and fractals. Ancient temples are full of yantras and mandalas, but they're not just decoration. They're geometry in motion. Take the Sri Yantra. 9 interlocking triangles form 43 smaller ones, a recursive structure found in fractal mathematics. It reflects the infinite, one triangle birthing another, just like consciousness expanding. Even nature mirrors this. Spirals in galaxies, plants, and even our DNA. The ancients saw the cosmos as patterned energy and mapped it with math. Chapter 5. Time, cycles, and the yugas. Hindu cosmology describes time as cyclical, not linear. The 4 yugas span 4.32 million years, a number that matches astronomical precession cycles. The Kalachakra, or Wheel of Time, is mirrored in Mayan and Aztec calendars too. And here's a fun fact. The Mahabharata war lasted 18 days. The Bhagavad Gita, 18 chapters. Patterns everywhere. To the ancients, time wasn't just passing, it was a formula. Chapter 6. Temples as equations. Temples weren't just built, they were calculated. The Konark Sun Temple has 24 wheels, each functioning as a sundial. The Brihadiswara Temple casts no shadow at noon, aligned perfectly with the sun. Angkor Wat in Cambodia. Its layout encodes the solar year. Temples were star charts, energy harmonizers, and cosmic blueprints. Chapter 7. Yajna. The universe has ritual in the Vedas. The universe is described as a yajna, a sacred fire ritual. The Agnikayana altar was built using thousands of bricks in precise ratios, mirroring the cosmic order. These weren't just rituals. They were symbolic computations. The Shulba Sutras even contain the roots of geometry, centuries before Pythagoras. Fire wasn't worshipped, it was plasma, a transformation engine. Chapter 8. Math as moksha. In ancient India, math was moksha, a path to liberation. The Sankhya philosophy taught that counting the 24 tattvas, like matter, mind, and ego, led to self-realization. Numbers weren't abstract. They were conscious forces. To the ancients, math wasn't calculation. It was meditation. Why was this knowledge hidden? because it wasn't meant for everyone. It was encrypted in myth, protected by gurus, whispered in sacred spaces. Like Plato's cave or the concept of Maya, reality was seen as a layered illusion. The code was real, but only for those who could see. Symbols weren't just artistic, they were passwords to cosmic truth. So the next time you hear a myth about a god dancing or a demon splitting into pieces, ask yourself, is this fantasy or is it a formula? Because maybe, just maybe, the ancients weren't telling stories. They were telling us the truth in symbols, numbers, and sacred patterns. If this journey into the secrets of ancient math and mythology sparked your curiosity, like the video to support the channel, subscribe for more decoded myths and cosmic facts, and hit the bell icon so you don't miss our next revelation. Because in this channel, we don't just explore stories, we uncover the codes behind them. Thanks for watching. Until next time, keep questioning the myth and unlocking the math.